A group of environmental health scientists recently performed a nationwide cross-sectional study that investigated the risk of head and neck cancers in patients with a history of cigar and pipe smoking. In collaboration with 3 teams of epidemiologists that have each conducted similar cross-sectional studies in their respective countries, they have agreed to contribute the data to an international pooled analysis of the relationship between non-cigarette tobacco consumption and the prevalence of head and neck cancers, which are the following statements regarding the pooled analysis in comparison to the individual studies is true. So when we pool an analysis, the number of population or the case sample size will increase. So when sample size increases, okay, a type 2 error that should decrease according to me. A type 1 and a type 2 error, which is depending on the power. Power increases with increasing the number of people involved in the study, and when you pool different studies, the sample size will increase. I hope you are getting this. So here basically type 2 error is the acceptance of the null hypothesis, although it is actually false. Increasing sample size by pooling data from several studies translates into increased statistical power, which is the main determinant for type 2 error. The higher the statistical power, the higher the probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is truly false. Hence, the likelihood of type 2 error is decreased.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.